In this video, I'll show you how to receive payment from Google AdSense. Start by signing into your Google AdSense account. Once you're inside, go to Payments and make sure your payment information is complete. Next, verify your identity and address if Google requests it. AdSense may ask you to submit documents or enter a PIN that is mailed to your address before payments can be issued. After that, add your payment method. Go to Payments, select Payment Info, and click Add Payment Method. Enter your bank account details carefully and save the information. Now, continue earning revenue through your website, blog, or YouTube channel. Your earnings will accumulate in your AdSense account over time. Once your account balance reaches the payment threshold and there are no payment holds on your account, Google will automatically schedule your payment. Next, monitor the Payments section to track the status of your earnings and upcoming payments. Finally, wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account. Processing times vary depending on your country and banking institution. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to receive payment from Google AdSense. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.